guys, welcome to this brand new chapter, chapter 4, and we'll be talking about more vocab, more of verbs, and a lot of sentence patterns. Let's check it out. Okay, so first of all, as we start, let's start with the vocabulary. Okay, tango. Tango de kara hajimasho. Okay, let's see. So the first word that we are going to learn today is ikimas, which means go. Okay, then comes kimas, come. Go is I'm going, ikimas. Come or somebody coming to my side is kimas. Okay, like train, densha ga kimas. So train is coming. I'm going tomorrow. So that is ikimas, ashta ikimas. Then comes kairimas. Kairimas is what? Go home. And so when you are returning to your location, back to your location, that time it is called kairimas. Okay. Then Gakko. Gakko is what? So up to this, there were verbs. These three main verbs. Okay, go, ikimas, kimas, and kairimas. Then comes school, gakko. Then supa, eki, station. Supa is what? Supermarket. Gakko is what? School. Eki is what? Station. Hikouki is plane. Fune is ship. Densha is electric train. Chikatetsu is subway. Shinkansen is the bullet train. Basu is bus. Takshi, Jitensha, bicycle. Aruite, on foot. Okay. Hito is what? Person. Okay. Moving on. Tomodachi, friend. Kare is he. Kanojo is she. So, boyfriend or girlfriend. I mean, not boyfriend, girlfriend whom you love, but yeah, in general also. Kanojo is a friend, a female friend. Okay. Kazoku. Hitoride is by oneself. Senshu is last week. Now we are going to talk about weeks here. Senshu. Konshu is this week. Raishu is next week. Okay. Senshu, Konshu, Raishu. Okay. Sengetsu. So now you see there is a combination of two words are happening here. Getsu is what? Month. And Sen is what? Previous, last. Okay. Sengetsu is last month. Kongetsu is this month. Raigetsu is next month. Like now for year it is changing. Kyonen, Kotoshi, Rainen. Kyonen, Kotoshi, Rainen. Gatsu is what? Month of the year. Okay. Nangatsu is which month. Okay. Suitachi, first day of the month. Now how the days, various days of the month are being called out. Let's what is written here. Suitachi is first day. Futsuka is second day. Vikka is what? Third day. Yokka is what? Fourth day. Itsuka is what? Fifth day. Muika, Nanoka is seventh day. Yoka. Okay, that is eighth day. Kokonoka is ninth day. Touka. Okay, Touka. That is 10th day. Now, how do we call the 14th day? Ju Yoka. Okay, Ju is what? 10th, and Yoka is what? 4th. So 14th day. Hatsuka is 20th. And Niju Yoka. Niju Yoka is what? 24th. Okay. Nichi is day of the month. So and so day of the month. Nannichi is which day of the month? How many days? Itsu is what? When. Okay. Shall we repeat? Suitachi, Fukka, Futsuka. Suitachi, Futsuka, Mitsuka, Yokka, Itsuka, Muika. So you have to repeat with me, okay? What are these days? First day, second day, third day, and again you have to repeat when you are practicing also. Okay? Muika, Nanoka, Yoka, Kokonoka, Touka, Juyokka, Hatsuka, Nijuyokka, Nichi, Nannichi, and Itsu. Okay. So what is 28th day? Come on. Hatsuka. What's fifth day? Itsuka. What is Mikka? Is third day. What is Muika? Sixth day. Okay. Then comes Tanjobi, and that's the very famous word, birthday. Futsu Again is local train. So futsu, this kanji also you need to recall. Futsu is what? Local train. Okay. Then Kyuko is what? Express train. Then rapid train is what? Tokyu. Tokyu is what? Rapid express trains. So in Japan they have different type of trains. So one Futsu train is like local train, express is faster than that, and rapid express is much more faster than that. And then comes the Shinkansen and various other categories. But yeah, these are the main three categories: Futsu, Kyuko, and Tokyu. Okay. Sugino. Sugino is what? Next. And do itashimashite is you are welcome. And Bansen is so and so platform. Nan Bansen Deska. Nan Bansen Deska is which platform? And Nana Bansen is seventh platform. Ni Bansen is second platform. Okay, this is how they do it. Then comes sentence patterns. Bunke. Okay, let us see it out. Okay, so the first sentence is Watashi wa Tokyo he ikimasu. So I explained it in the vocab section also. So whenever you are going towards something, or when you are going towards away from you, or when you're going, basically that is the sentence pattern. It says that Watashi wa, I am going to Tokyo. Okay, Watashi wa Tokyo he ikimasu. Second one is Watashi wa taxi de uchi he kaerimasu. I am going to use taxi, and with that I am going to return home. Okay, Watashi wa taxi de uchi he kaerimasu. Then Watashi wa kazoku to Nihon he ikimasu. With family, I'll go to Nihon he kimashita. Okay, Watashi wa kazoku to, with family, Nihon he, I came to Japan with my family. Came. Okay, kimashita is what? Came. So, okay, let's see the grammatical notes associated with this. Okay, so the first pattern that we are going to learn about is noun, a place, and then he ikimasu is, or he kimasu or karimasu. So whenever we are using this sentence pattern, like the place and then we are going, coming, and kairimasu or returning, we use this pattern, which is like place of the noun, name of the place, which is like noun, and he is ikimasu. He is, it's a joiner, it's a conjunction between the noun and the verb. Okay, so how do, when a verb indicates a certain place, then he is being used after the noun. Okay, and then it is used to show the direction also. So I'll go to Kyoto, I came to Japan, and I'll go home, uchihe kaerimasu. So, and it is particle is he is read a. Okay, as I'm pronouncing it. So the second pattern is doko hemo ikimasen or doko hemo ikimasen deshita. Now suppose somebody has asked you that where did you go on Sunday, or where did you go last night, you would say that I didn't go anywhere. So that, how do we say it? Doko demo. Doko is anywhere, mo is I didn't go anywhere. So that's how it is pronounced. Okay, so I don't doko hemo ikimasen, I don't go anywhere, I don't eat everything. Nan demo tapemasen, mo, and dare demo imasen. Nobody is there. Dare demo is imasen. So mo is it follows the actually particle is a particle, and it follows the verb following it is negative. So whenever there is a negative verb following this mo, so that's how the combination becomes. Okay. Uh, then vehicle de ikimasu. Okay, noun is vehicle de ikimasu. So the way you are going, the first here what we saw is uh, it's like the place we are going, there we used he, and in the next one we are again using uh, we are using they actually. So this is a by what. Okay, so vehicle de, so this is the medium. It could be a car, it could be a bicycle or train or Shinkansen, and that is the method, or that is the way of mode of your transport. And then the verb. Okay, ikimas, kairimas, and kimas. Okay, so the day is used there. So densha de ikimas, takshi de kimashita. When you walk somewhere, you use the expression aruite. Okay, that time. And now aruite is what? So aruite is also it's a verb actually. So aruite ikimasu. Okay. and I walked. Eki kara aroite kairimashita. Okay, from train I came. So this is the sentence balance. So densha de या फिर or it will be like kuruma de and then aroite. Okay, so these are two patterns we learned in this particular one. Then the to pattern. Okay, to conjunction particle. When you do something with a person, okay, and our animal, it is marked with this particle. Okay, so now how it is saying, I came to Japan with my family. So kazuku to, it's like to is what, with. Okay, anything which is representing with, so that is what this to is used for. So I came to Japan, I came to kazuku to nihone kimashita, and then hitori de Tokyo he ikimasu. Hitori de. Okay. If you do something alone, that time hitori de is used. Okay. And in that case to is not used. Fine. Fine. Okay. Hitori de is या फिर jibun de is something by my own, and then um, when you are doing it with somebody else, kazuku to या tomodachi to या फिर bucho to. Bucho is what, our boss. Okay, department chief, something of that sort. So there we call to. With that person I came. Okay, then come itsu. Okay, so whenever we are asking about time, we do not integrate whenever we are asking when, or when is used represented by itsu. Okay, so when there is an integrative like nan, also we've learned, so nanji, nanyobi, nangetsu are used, and other than these, whenever there is an interrogative pattern to be used, we used itsu. Okay, so when did you come to Japan? Itsu nihone kimashita ka? So answer is sangatsu niju go nichi ni kimashita. Okay, niju go, this ni pattern we learned previously in the last chapter. Okay, niju go nichi ni kimashita. Itsu Hiroshima he ikimasu ka? When will you? Itsu is when will you. Now here we don't use nan. Okay, nanji is what time. Nanyobi is what, which day. Nangetsu is what, which month. Nan nichi is again day. Nan yobi, okay. So when we are not sure about the particular time, like it's day, month, year, or when, we use itsu, when will you go. Okay, and then I will go there, raishue ikimasu. Raishue ikimasu. So next sentence pattern is yo. Okay, so yo is basically for emphasizing something or emphatically saying something, and to show that your judgment or views assertively. It's an assertive pattern. So kono den shawa. So if you see the example, kono den shawa hoshie ne ikimasu ka? Iie ikimasen. Sugi no futsu wa Yasugi no futsu desu yo. So the next trend does. So you are sure that this trend doesn't go, but the next trend does. So that time it is used. Okay. Then murina daito wa karada ni yokunai desu yo. So excessive dieting is bad for health. So you are emphatically saying thing. You are assertively saying that excessive dieting is not good for the health. So that's why you are using a yo pattern here. Okay, clear? So now the sample sentences comes. Okay, so ashita doko ikimasu ka? Nara he ikimasu. So the question is, where are you going tomorrow? And the answer is Nara. I'm going to Nara. Okay. Then nichobi doko he ikimashita ka? So on Sunday, where did you go? Okay. The answer is doko he mo ikimasen deshita. I didn't go anywhere. Okay. Doko he mo ikimasen deshita. Doko mo ikimasen deshita also you can say, and doko he mo ikimasen deshita is also correct. Both are correct. Okay. Then nande Tokyo he ikimasu ka? For what reason you are going to Tokyo? Ah, okay. Then comes nande Tokyo ikimasu ka? So question is, by how are you going to Tokyo? So answer is Shinkansen Tokyo uh, Shinkansen de ikimasu. Okay, I was saying that Shinkansen de Tokyo ikimasu, but they have shortened it in this example. So it's Shinkansen de ikimasu. Okay, now it could have been like Hikoki de ikimasu when you are going by airplane. Okay. Next is Dare to Tokyo e ikimasu ka? Yamada-san to ikimasu. Okay. Yamada-san to ikimasu. With whom you are going to Tokyo? With Yamada-san and I. Okay. Itsu Nihon e kimashita ka? 3月5 25日に来ました。Itsu, when did you come to Japan? So, so and so date I came. Okay. Third month, 25th day. Okay. Then, 誕生日はいつですか？ 7 月の7月13日です。So, sixth month, 13th day. Okay. So, 誕生日はいつですか? So, you see what we learned earlier is the sentence patterns and how in various ways they have used in this example sentences. You got to know here. Okay. Then comes conversation. Okay. So conversation in this there are two people, Nanohito and Santoso. Okay. So the conversation's name is Koshien Heikimasu ka. So Koshien is it's a place, it's a name of a place, and whether we are going towards that or not, that's the question. So Santosh is saying, so you must say Koshien de made ikura desu ka? Koshien made ikura desu. So Santosh being at the station or ticket counter, he is asking that. The answer is 350 yen this. Go hyaku san hyaku goju yen this. Okay, 350 yen. San hyaku goju yen this. Answer is then Santosh says, oh, 350 円ですね。350円ですね。ありがとうございました。Okay? Thanks, thank you. Then, どうもいたしまして。どういたしまして。Welcome. Okay? Then now he has reached the platform. Okay? So he must say, he's asking to another person. So he must say, Koshien wa nanban sen desu ka? Or he has not reached the platform yet. He is probably before the platform in the after the uh, tickets being checked out in the ticket counter. He is going to board the. He is going to choose the platform where he needs to go, and he's asking that Koshien wa nanban sen desu ka? So when if I'm going to Koshien, so what is the platform number for that? So the person says that go ban sen desu. Okay, it's fifth platform. Santosh is domo. So here you see there is a shortened form of domo itashimasu. Do itashimasu. Domo is again thanks. Okay. Then comes Santosh says that kono densha wa Koshien e ikimasu ka? Okay. He's now at the platform. He's asking somebody that will this train go to the Koshien? Answer is iie sugino futsu. Sugino futsu desu. This will not, but the next local train will go. Okay. Sugino futsu desu. Ah, so desu ka? Domo. Again, oh, is it so? Then thank you. So I think yeah, this brings us to the end of chapter 4. I hope you learned new sentence patterns, new verbs, and very important verbs actually here, and very commonly used verbs. We are still building up the base for the language. It will take time. There are around 25 chapters I have in this lecture series. So keep your patience, keep practicing, keep your questions and your assignments you keep on doing. Come to the live session so that we can practice. Okay, bye bye, see you.